Good morning, Year 4. For today's lesson, we're carrying on with perimeter, which remember means the distance around the outside of the shape and the measurements of what it adds up to. Now, you've been doing this all week, so this is probably a bit of a recap now, but I'm just going to run through two of the questions because you've got two sheets to complete today. You've got sheet 1 and sheet 2. So I'm going to have a look at this shape here. Now, I know it's a rectangle, so I can measure it by counting the squares. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I can know that two lengths are the same size. So this would be 6 centimetres. And opposite, the width will also be 2 centimetres. Now I need to add it up, and it shows us how to do that at the top. So I'm just going to make notes at the bottom here. I'm going to do 6, add 6, add 2, add 2. So I know 6 add 6 gives me 12. Add another 2 would be 10. Add another 2 to 12 would be 14. Add another 2 would be 16. So the perimeter of that shape is 16 centimetres. So remember, you need to add all 4 bits of your shape. Okay, so that's one example from sheet 1. On sheet 2, you can see on this question here, we've got another rectangle, but this time we can't count the squares to see the size. But as I've been saying, we know that the length would be the same size because opposite sides are always the same. The width is also the same size. So it's 4 centimetres. Now we'll have a go at adding those together. So we can do 5 add 5, which we know if we had 5, and another 5 would give us 10. And then we can add 4, so that would be 14. Add another 4, we could go 15, 16, 17, 18. So the perimeter would be 18 centimetres. So have a think about when it doesn't tell you all of the lengths and what you need to do. It also tells you here that you could use this method to help you add. So you can do the length and the width, which is 5 add 4. And then you just double it. You times it by 2. So 5 add 4 would be 20. No, it wouldn't. 5 add 4 would be 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And that would be your answer to that question.